The 2013 Lamborghini Aventador Liberty Walk by SR Auto Group. Up to this point, there aren't a lot of Lamborghini Aventador programs that can match wits with what DMC did with its Molto Veloce kit. You can make a case for Mansory, but the Swiss tuner is mostly an outlier in the tuning business. Now, it looks like SR Auto Group has one that can give DMC Tuning a run for its money. Using the iconic Liberty Walk body kit from Japan, SR Auto Group was able to give the Aventador the kind of sinister aftermarket work that only makes what's already a beastly-looking exotic even more intimidating. The two-tone finish given to the Aventador, courtesy of the Liberty Walk body kit, can't be understated because the complementary shades add even more aggressiveness to the Lambo supercar. With the kit firmly placed, SR Auto Group added the final touches to an impressive body kit, dressing up the Italian supercar with its own brand of wheels, emphatically giving the Aventador a mesmerizing look that's almost impossible to ignore. Under the hood, SR Auto Group figured what Lambo did was good enough and left the 690 horsepower V12 alone. This means it retains the base 2.9-second sprint to 60 miles per hour and 217 miles per hour top speed. Click past the jump to read more about what SR Auto Group and Liberty Walk did to the Lamborghini Aventador. Body kit to die for. It took a lot of waiting, at least according to SR Auto Group, but in the end, it sure was worth it. Using the iconic Japanese brand's glamorous and downright awesome body kit, the Lamborghini Aventador was treated to a host of new components, including a new front bumper that highlights the three-piece front carbon fiber splitter. New carbon fiber side skirts were also installed and clearly noticeable with the two-tone shade highlighting the kit in all its glory. Rounding out the kit is a pair of rear-end parts, highlighted by a carbon fiber 3D GT wing and rear diffuser trims. Wheels up. The body kit may have come from a Japanese tuner, but SR Auto Group isn't going to let a project like this pass without having an imprint on it. So it's no surprise that to finish off the program, the Canadian tuner installed a new set of pure 4R depth wheels finished in the classic modern black and Lumiere gray shades.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.